Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is the last video in this basic modeling series for beginners. So today we are going to create some ropes and wires using Sweep Mesh tool of new Maya 2022. I've already made a tutorial about this, but in that tutorial we use cylinders and curves to create ropes, but the Sweep Mesh tool makes things very easier and we can create ropes, wires and stuff like that very quickly. So if you haven't watched that tutorial, you can find that link in the description, or you can click on the I button and you can find that video. So this tutorial is only for the people who have Maya 2022, because Sweep Mesh tool is not available for the previous versions of Maya. And we are going to start with a curve. So you can go to create, go to curve tool, and let's select this CV curve tool, and let's create a random curve like this. So after creating the curve, we can go to create and select the Sweep Mesh tool. So here are all the parameters. Now we can see that this pipe or this cylinder is very low poly, so we can increase the sides to increase the segments. And as I change the side, you can see the changes in the segments of this cylinder. Let's keep it 16, and we can scroll down, and here we can increase the precision to increase the number of polygons in this geometry. So if you increase this precision value, you can see the changes in your mesh. And here you can see this optimize, and if you click on this optimize, it's going to get rid of some of these unnecessary edges. So you can see the changes in your mesh here. Just click on this optimize and you can see some of those edges removed. Let's uncheck this for now, and here what we can do, we can scale it down, make it smaller like this. Now to create the rope, we can click on this distribute, and here you can see some instances, and we can change the number of instances with this bar here. So let's take 5, and as you can see, there are some gapping between these instances. And how can we reduce that? So we can just increase the scale of these instances like this, and to scale down the entire mesh, just go to this transformation, and here you'll see the scale profile. You can turn it down like this. Now to create a braided rope, you can increase the value of this twist. Let's change it to 20, and you can see we have a rope like geometry, but because our mesh is not very high poly and we don't have a lot of segments here, so we can see this issue with our geometry. So how can we fix that? We can go to this interpolation and increase this precision to 100, and now we can see that we have a braided rope like geometry here. So you can increase the twist a little bit more. Let's change it to 60. So that's how you can create some ropes, wires or cables with this Sweep Mesh tool. So this was a very simple tutorial on using the Sweep Mesh tool to create some ropes. Let's create something else. So now we can delete this, Press shift right click and let's take this helix. Let's increase the number of coils and the radius, let's decrease it to 0.02, and we can decrease the height also like this. And now what we can do is we can go to edge mode and select this edge. And now we can go to modify, go to convert, and here we can select this polygon edge to curve. And now we have this curve, so we can invert select and delete this helix, and we have this curve here. And with this curve we can do the same thing we did with that rope. So go to create and select this sweep mesh tool. Let's increase the size to 16 and also scale down the profile like this, and also distribute. Now we can increase the scale instance. And the scale profile. Like this. Now let's go to interpolation, and in the precision let's increase this value to 100%. And we can change the twist value, let's change it to 60, and we have this bundle of rope. You can also increase the twist a little bit more, let's change it to 80. And this is how you can create it very easily in Maya using sweep mesh tool. Now you can select this mesh, go to edit and then delete by type history, and with this you can get rid of that curve. Now you can just delete it, and here is your rope. And if you go to the UV editor, you can see that your rope is completely unwrapped, because all the geometry you create using the sweep mesh tool, the UVs of that geometry is automatically unfold. So I hope you liked this tutorial, and if you did, then consider subscribing to the channel, because next series is going to be about the UV unwrapping in Maya for beginners. So have a good day, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.